Okay.
My name is Lana.
And my name is Alex. And today we are going to make slime.
These are the ingredients, and this is baby oil. This is contact solution. This is green food coloring, and this is oh yeah, I already explained. Yeah, your turn.
This is some glue that we need to make it. And we have two different types. We have Elmer's glue and weird Dollar Tree glue. And we need a teensy bit of baking soda or it will get messed up. And we have containers for our slime when we're finished.
Yeah, you forgot. Did you even explain this?
I don't care.
Okay, and this is foil flakes.
Okay.
Or we saw like glitter.
Let's start with this. We put the glue in first. It's time to make slime.
So these are our containers that we're gonna make our slime with, and we already explained the ingredients and everything. So this is the glue that I'm using. I'm using the white glue,
And I'm using the Elmer's glue
and she's using the same white glue as me.
Okay, let's put it in.
Yeah.
How much are you putting in?
A lot.
Half, right? Half your container?
Then I put all of it. Bam. There's the
Okay,
scoop.
just a teaspoon of
It's
baking
not
soda.
coming out. It has like something on it.
Oh, you have to take it out.
Hey. Okay. Now that I have this,
Hang on a sec.
Okay, now it's time to put in the glue. Yeah, have mine. I put in the glue. Is that enough?
Yeah, you want to do half.
and here I
Yeah.
have some baking soda, like a pinch of baking
Enough.
soda.
Oh,
Yeah.
This
spilled.
one.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
here, get your pinch of, just a pinch. Just
Yeah.
a pinch. And then we need some of the contact
We need some.
thing.
Maybe like
and then we put it
2
in
tablespoons.
like that much.
Yeah.
And then we start mixing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start
I
mixing.
need to mix too.
You need contact solution.
Yep.
Zora, contact solution right here.
Yes. I'm just mixing.
Yeah.
And now I need some
Now I
baby
need
oil.
the
Give it a good
contact
texture.
solution.
See this? You put
Keep
it.
going, I'll tell you when. Keep going.
Okay, that's
Okay, start mixing, Zora. Yeah, and then a little bit of baby oil. And that's to make it a bit, I think, smoother, gentle on your hands. It gives it a nice smell as well. Oh, that's
Whoa, look
that's
at
good,
that.
Zora. Zora, that's good, that's good. Yeah. Start mixing.
Can I have some of this?
Can I spill some on the table?
Okay, now we put some more in there.
That was the baby oil.
Just like
Now
a.
we're just
that
gonna
much.
mix it. Oh, that's a lot of baby oil, actually. Is it a bad thing that I put a lot? Is it a good thing?
It's neutral, I think.
Okay.
I wouldn't put more.
I'm gonna put some more
Yeah, this
contact
looks so
solution,
good.
So it's,
Keep mixing, Zora.
yeah.
That's it.
I need to keep mixing.
Yeah. He needs to activate, so you gotta keep mixing.
Wait, I need more white glue. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now I will put more.
Keep mixing.
I'll keep mixing and I'll
There's
put
your
more.
hair. There. Now, what did I not add? Okay.
You want food color? Or like
Yeah.
those flakes thing?
Mixing.
Wait, did you not put the baking soda?
I did.
Just a pinch.
Can
How
I
about
have
you?
more?
I'll put a teeny bit more baking soda. Just a teeny.
Where's the bag?
Lily had it.
There's still a little bit. in
Just a
there.
little bit. Otherwise, it'll wreck it, I think.
This is looking
Is that
not so good.
Yeah. Put in more contact solution. That's the trick.
I'll put a
Okay.
lot. Okay, let's put a lot. La 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 la.
Okay, it still looks watery.
Yeah. Keep
I don't
mixing.
think I need any more now.
I just need like a little more pinch.
No. Don't put any more.
Okay.
More contact solution.
Okay.
Promise.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah,
It's getting
keep
more
going.
slimy.
You just have to
But
keep
it looks
mixing.
watery.
Did I do something wrong?
No.
Why is it not working?
That's good. That's good, Zara. Just keep mixing.
Okay. It looks really watery.
Look at
You have to keep activating it. Keep going.
I
Activating.
think I overmixed it.
No, you can't overmix it.
Okay, I need.
That's what Lily said.
Huh?
You said I could overmix it if I did.
Okay, look at that.
Okay.
This is not very strong.
Okay.
The contact solution is not very
feel it?
strong.
No, keep going. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing.
Oh, this is.
It's actually turning into slime.
Yeah, I know. It takes time.
It's probably because I put a lot of glue.
Yeah.
I put a lot of glue. Yeah. Whoa, it's getting thicker.
Keep going. You have to just keep
It's
stirring.
getting thicker. Wait,
This is a lot of slime.
Yeah.
Can I put some in mine after?
Zora, start mixing.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, it's starting to turn into slime.
Activating.
Whoa.
Keep going.
It's getting more stringy.
Look at that. It's getting thicker.
Keep going, Zora. Yep. Good job, Lily.
Oh, this is hurting my arm.
It's tiring, right?
It's a workout.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at my slime. My slime looks so cool.
It feels like glue. It feels like regular glue. Okay, can you...
More contact solution.
Just use this.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
More
Keep going.
contacts?
It's starting to like stop sticking to the wall.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Keep mixing.
Okay, now I need more.
Yeah.
It's the activator. The contact solution is the activator, which actually works.
Obviously,
Add
it
a little-
actually works.
Yeah, that's good.
I never made real slime before.
Me
This is really
either.
cool.
Yeah.
You did. Not like good slime like this. Bruh. Not with the Elmer glue. Never Elmer glue.
Maybe like...
Whoa. Whoa.
Keep mixing.
Why did the baby oil activate it?
No, it's a contact solution.
Bruh.
Whoa.
Should I add like more glue? Maybe like just a teeny bit?
Sure, a teeny bit more if you want.
Oh my gosh.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay. Now just more contact solution.
You need a lot. Just put a lot. There. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's
That's
good.
good.
Okay. I just need a little bit more of contact solution.
Yeah.
Then I
Get
can
the
take
corners. Yeah. There you go.
Whoa, it's like making bubbles.
Yours
is
is
so
actually like slime. I need to
think
keep
Elmer's is
mixing.
slime.
Yours is like actually...
Because I don't know if it works for that kind of glue.
It does.
You sure?
Wait,
Oh yeah. Keep
Where's
going.
yours,
Add
Elmer?
your coloring.
I'll add the Elmer's glue. Wait.
I'll add a little bit because I don't want too much.
Okay. Start mixing, Zora. That's it.
Yeah. This is great.
That's it.
Okay,
That's
just a little
slowly
itty
turning.
bitty. 2, 3 drops at the most, and that's it.
Yeah. Zora, add some more contact solution.
Okay, now I mix. It's green.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Keep mixing.
Okay, do I need to add like a lot?
Oh, this is tiring.
I know.
My arm is hurting.
Look how fast I'm mixing.
Well, you're going back and forth. Go in a circle.
Here, you want more?
There you go.
Sorry, I'll give you more.
Okay.
Oh, it's starting to work. I can see it. Keep going. Keep mixing.
Mine?
Yep. I can see it. It's starting to work.
Okay, I definitely need more. Just like this much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is looking great.
More contact solution?
I like this color. It's
Can I
like
add more baby oil?
this is very good.
I think you added a lot.
Yeah.
I think you're good.
I look like dough.
Keep mixing.
That.
Keep mixing.
Hey. Hey.
I think you need more contact solution. Good job. More contact solution.
Okay.
Sorry, how come yours is really watery?
I don't know.
Okay, more contact solution. That's okay.
I think you need more
You
baking.
have a lot of glue.
Oh, you didn't. I think you should put more of the baby's thing.
I saw her put a lot in.
What? Oh, I think this deactivated it.
No.
Sorry.
No. Then you need more contact solution if it's, right? Or more glue.
Yeah, I think you
Add
need
more glue.
more glue. Mine's working.
Yeah. That's
I know
it.
yours will.
Lily, is yours working?
Yes.
Yeah, hers is working. So more contact solution for Zora. Don't touch the baby oil.
Da. Yeah, mine is turning into slime.
I think you're over mixing.
Hey, you said there wasn't over mixed.
When did I ever say that?
It's slowly turning.
Don't mix it like that. What did you do?
Mix it and then, yeah, like that.
You don't have to mix it so fast.
I want it a little.
Bro, that's okay.
Oh yeah, this is a long
Yeah.
slime.
A bit more activator.
Okay. I like this texture. That's it. I'm not putting any more activator if I need.
Ooh.
Okay, mine is watery. Because maybe I added too much activator.
No, you overmixed it.
Oh, I put a lot of activator.
Okay, I should put some more activator.
Nice.
Yeah. Now this is turning into good slime. And actually, it's not even sticky. That's surprising.
Keep mixing.
Uh,
All right, Alex, you want to show?
I'm ready.
You ready to touch it, or you want more activator?
I'm gonna just take this off. Oh wow. Let's start mixing this.
Think I need. Do you think I need more
Oh
glue?
wow, this is so cool.
More activator.
Activator? Why
Like
do I?
lots.
Okay, I think I need just a teensy bit more activator.
Good, good, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
What if mine doesn't work?
It will. Because I think you put too much baby oil in the beginning.
Yeah.
So you need to counter.
I don't know why yours is not working.
I'm mixing it lots.
You're, bro.
All right, Alex,
Don't
show
mix
us
it
what
too
you made.
fast.
Wow.
Don't mix it too fast because you can overmix it and then it'll just like become water again.
Yeah, I think you mix it too much. Like too fast. Yeah, look at that.
Can you feel
Okay,
it?
let it sit. Let it sit for a sec. Sorry.
Earlier, I added too much baby oil, so I had to add more activator and glues, and now I'm gonna add the green food coloring. So this is my container, and then this is the green food coloring. I'm only gonna add like a little bit. Okay, that's a lot. Now I need to, now I need it to like mix. It's even turning. I need it to do this more. So I'll give kind of like that color.
Yeah, my slime I overactivated my slime and I had to put more glue, like a lot of glue. But it's okay now because it's all fine.
Yeah, then this is my slime. It's working. It's worked. And it's a nice color.
Like mine.
Yeah.
Mine is just kidding.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out.
How did the hair get in here? What's up with the hair?
Your hair.
Ew.
Ew. Ah,
It's salami.
look at that.
See salami?
It worked.
Can you stretch it out? Let's see what it looks like stretched out. Okay, so maybe a little bit more. Oh,
Too rippy.
maybe a bit more glue,
Maybe.
right?
Yes, mine is
You want it more
perfect.
stretchy.
Yeah.
Just a teeny, just a teeny,
That's-
just a
Oh, your
teeny,
hair is in here.
just a teeny bit.
Oh yes. Oh,
That's
this
good,
is
yeah.
great.
And then maybe use your chopstick.
Yeah, we need
How
to
did
add
hair
more
get
glue
here
because it's
so
like
fast?
not stretchy enough. Ooh.
You have the hair.
I need to get the hair
Keep
out.
mixing it.
What the heck?
Ew.
Oh, you just put the hair back.
Well, it's actually slime.
Lily, how's yours? Can you show us?
I added more glue because mine wasn't stretchy.
Okay.
Okay, let's test it out.
Let me check it.
Why is it not getting off the chopstick? Bro. It's really sticky now.
A bit more teeny baby oil.
Do we have shaving?
No, not baby oil. It's. I just need to more play with it.
Oh!
Whoa. Alex, let's see.
Oh my!
Oh yeah. Looking so good.
I I need to add more glue. Okay, only a little bit. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Now we're gonna use the chopstick to mix it.
Oh, I love glue.
What time? Oh, we've been making this for an hour. In like six plus 11 minutes.
6 plus 11.
That's 2 hours. Actually, 1 hour and 17 minutes.
Oh, it's looking really good. I believe I can
Fly.
make it airy.
Here, I'll fix
I
Zora's
believe I
other
can
part
fly.
now.
I can believe I can.
Whoa, my gosh, there's a lot in here, bro. Oh, you fixed
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Maybe add some food coloring
This is really sticky since
and a bit more activator.
This is like a really sticky. Since I like put more.
All right. Any final thoughts?
Whoa.
Louie, how about you?
Hmm?
Wait, what happened
Would
to
you recommend other kids making this too?
Yeah.
Definitely. This was so fun, but yet so stressful.
So all the ingredients are baby oil, white glue, and a little bit of baking soda, but don't add too much or else you'll ruin it. And then some contact solution, and these are non-toxic products. The contact solution is the activator. And
Yes.
yeah.
You need a lot of contact solution.
Yeah, if you want, you can use like food coloring. You can choose whatever you want. Then you can use like foil flakes or like glitter or whatever.
Yeah.
And bye.
And bye.